Keto Paprika Chicken. A delicious, smoky, and savory sauce to accompany chicken whenever you want. This is a super simple recipe that brings all the flavors you're looking for in 10 minutes of prep or less. Pair this with the awesome cheesy creamed spinach and you've got yourself a winner for dinner. Together the fat/protein/carb macros should hit the spot and fill you up to boot. Ingredients: 1. 4 medium boneless, skinless, chicken breasts. 2. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 3. 2 tablespoons Spanish smoked paprika. 4. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 5. 1 tablespoon maple syrup. 6 2 teaspoons minced garlic. 7. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 F, then get your chicken breasts ready by patting them dry with a paper towel. 2. Cut the chicken into chunks or quarters. 3. In a small ramekin, add 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons Spanish smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, and 2 teaspoons minced garlic. 4. Season the chunks of chicken with salt and pepper on both sides. 5. In a casserole dish, spread about 1/3 of your sauce on the bottom of the pan. 6. Add all chunks of chicken to the casserole dish, rubbing them into the sauce as you place them. 7. Add the remainder of your sauce to the top of the chicken and rub it in well. Make sure you coat every piece. 8. Place into the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Once done, broil for an additional 4 to 5 minutes. 9. Let cool for 4 to 7 minutes. 10. Serve with a side of cheesy creamed spinach. This makes 4 total servings. Per serving it comes out to 274 calories, 13.6 g fats, 2 g net carbs, and 36.4 g protein. Pair it with some cheesy creamed spinach and you'll be set for dinner.